Today we'll be installing the powered vanity drawer organizer from Hardware Resources. Before you begin, make sure you familiarize yourself with all the parts and fully read the instructions. We recommend a GFCI outlet is installed or accessible within 3.5 feet of where the drawer will be installed. The tools needed for installation are a screw gun or Phillips screwdriver and a tape measure. If the screw gun has a clutch, set to the lowest setting so as not to over-tighten and/or strip the screws. First, detach the cable arm from the slide by removing the two M5 by 6mm screws. Next, disengage the drawer from the slides by pressing the undermount clip levers. Now you'll want to install the drawer slides in the cabinet. Attach the rear mounting brackets to the back panel. Offset from the side panel and bottom panels as shown. Attach the slides to the brackets. Offset the slides by 1/4 inch from the face frame. Use the supplied 10 No. 6 by 1/2 inch screws to attach the slide to the face frame and rear brackets to the cabinet. Reattach the drawer to the slides and screw cable arm back to the slide rear bracket using two M5 by 6mm screws. Close the drawer and make sure the power cable does not get pinched by the drawer. Connect the powered vanity and test that the power works correctly. Note, powered vanity is designed so that the power cuts off from the outlet when the drawer is in the closed position. Thanks for watching!